Happy first day of the month. Can you believe it? We have 6 months left in 2024. Wow, where's the time flown? Last week, we discussed different ways of getting the equity out of your home without having to complete a cash out refinance. This week, we're going to talk about how a home equity line of credit, also known as a HELOC, might be the perfect solution for you. A HELOC offers a revolving line of credit, allowing you to borrow as much or as little as you need when you need it. This is perfect for ongoing expenses like home renovations or unexpected emergencies. During the draw period, you can make interest-only payments, making it easier to manage your cash flow. HELOCs typically have lower upfront costs compared to other refinancing options, saving you money right from the start. Enjoy potentially lower initial rates with the HELOC's variable interest rates, which adjust with market conditions. Use your HELOC for anything: home improvements, debt consolidations, education, medical expenses, or that vacation that you want. It's your choice. Choose a HELOC for financial flexibility, lower initial costs, and the ability to borrow as needed. Contact us today at 803-567-6680 to see how a HELOC can work for you. That was your Mortgage Minute, giving you insight on all things lending. Have a great 4th of July.